Hi, good day, it's me again, Jaycee, and welcome to Robot Show Tunes, my very own YouTube channel where I get to review Transformers toys, Voltus 5 toys, Macross or Robotech toys, Evangelion toys, and just about whatever else I may fancy. And this video here is a coda of the review I did on Generations Thrilling 30 Voyager class Sandstorm. Basically, I am just going to show you how to get him from robot to VTOL aircraft to Dune Buggy mode. Alright, in Dune Buggy mode, first what you want to do, if you have the gun plugged in on the roof, take it out, and then flip out, or rather, untab the rear tires. Then you flip out the calves, then tab them together. Then from there you want to lower these feet one click. Fold out the tail, untab these arms, and have them to the side for now. Then you grab the roof from windshield to tail, lift it, then swing it forward. And then from there, you fold in this yellow piece with the side windows and part of the windshield. Fold that in, and then swing the arms downward, and then there are these two tabs here, two slots rather here, and two tabs in the roof piece, so you just peg those in, and then two tabs here, two slots here on the tail, orange tail piece, and then click those in, and then turn these tires 180 degrees. And there you have Sandstorm in his VTOL aircraft mode. Okay, so I forgot a few steps. Hold on. So bring this out of the way. Grab this side. Maybe untap them all together. There. Grab a side. And then you bring out this yellow piece and then swing it forward to cover the front tire, and then you flip this forward to reveal the wing or fin, side fin, whatever it's called. So it sticks out like that. Again, repeat with the other side. Loosen this yellow and black piece. Swing it forward to cover the tire. Swing this. Then fold this out. And then just put everything back. Oh yeah, and one more thing. Remember these armpit tab and slot pair? Yeah, I did it. I just didn't tell you that I did it, so just make sure that those are tabbed. And then re-tab to the roof, those parts to the roof. Bring this down, and there you have Sandstorm in his VTOL aircraft mode for real. And if you want, you can flip out his landing gear the two orange pieces here and this yellow piece here. Or you can replace this lower or this front landing gear with the weapon. Just clip this fin, this part that looks like a shark's fin, into this narrow crevice here where the real landing gear is. Pardon me. I didn't know I sounded like this. I started speaking. It's morning right now. I just got up. Okay, now let's there. Now let's move on to his robot mode, which is again, you untab this part of the roof, leave the frontmost part there, that's where it's supposed to be. Remove your firearm, bring out the head, bring out the front landing gear, fold this orange piece down, then fold that in, bring up the arm, tab this yellow chest piece to the orange chest piece, yellow chest piece to orange chest piece, split the legs, fold out the foot, fold out the heel, fold out foot, fold out heel, open this yellow piece to bring out the fist, open. It helps to bring this out first, so you can just push that out, but bring it back in, bring that back in. There you have the fists out. So what remains is this back. So fold this up. There's a tab here, slot there, tab that here. Oh, hold on. There. Let's lift this up a bit. Again, your options with the orange piece. You can, if you don't, you can have it fold down like that. That's fine. Or if you want it official, so if you want it official, what you do is you fold it like this, and there are the tabs here. There are tabs here, slots here, and just there. As for the wings, you can have them spread straight out like that, but I prefer them one click back. And the tires, you can have the spokes straight or diagonal. Those two positions, straight or diagonal. And after a struggle of epic proportions, there is Sandstorm back in his robot mode. And that is today's coda. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and follow us on Facebook if it so please you. Again, thank you so much for watching, despite my bedroom voice. And until next time, see you at the theater.